Panda. The panda weighs up to 330 pounds. They are native to the country of China. That's where they are found. They love to eat, but they mostly eat bamboo. Pandas live up to 20 years and are excellent climbers, too. Orangutan. Orangutans mostly eat fruits and leaves. They eat during the day. They are noisy creatures that howl and bellow when they have something to say. Female orangutans have a baby once every 8 years and love to be alone. And the baby stays with mom for 6 or 7 years until it can be on its own. Elephants. Elephants cannot jump due to their size. They also can't see very well with their little eyes. Elephants can communicate with each other using different sounds from very far away, and they eat food for about 16 hours each and every day. Peacock. A group of peacocks is not called a flock like other birds. It is actually called a party. They eat plants, seeds, insects, and small reptiles, so nutritious and hardy. Peacocks can fly, but prefer to stay on the ground. They use their feathers to show that they're the prettiest ones around. Raccoon. Raccoons are the size of a medium dog and have black masks on their face, and they will search for food anywhere and at any place. They are awake during the night and asleep through the day. They are intelligent animals that really love to play. Zebra. Zebras can sleep even while they stand. They are mostly found in the savanna of Africa or even the grasslands. They kick very hard and from a predator run in a zigzag line. They are known for their special black and white striped design. Roe. A roe is a smaller deer that prefers to be alone. They stay quite small even when full grown. They have small antlers and markings on their head. In winter they are gray in color and in summer they are red. Polar bear. Under all of their white fur, polar bears are actually black. And when they travel in a group, it's known as a pack. They are the largest living carnivores on land, and if you saw their large 1,700-pound body, you'd surely understand. Orca. Orca whales are known for their colors. They are white and black. And a group of orcas circle their prey before they attack. They're also called killer whales because they are great at hunting their prey. And they use echolocation to communicate when they have something to say. Sharks can detect impulses in the water, including another animal's beating heart. They have magnificent vision and are oh so smart. A shark's smell is 10,000 times stronger than ours. Their night vision is better than a cat's. It's as if they have power. Camels can go 15 days without water. They're as special as can be. They can live in cold weather and temperatures of very high degrees. Their eyelashes are long to protect their eyes from dirt and from sand, and they can travel very long distances across the dry desert land. Tiger. Tigers are animals that prefer to be alone. They communicate with scent markings and lots of sounds for their place to be known. Baby tigers are actually born blind. They like to stalk their prey. Tigers are one of a kind. Wisent. Wisent are known as European bison and have golden brown fur. Leaves, stems, flowers, and bark are the foods that they prefer. They are 4 times bigger than a Bengal tiger. They have a great big size. They weigh 1 whole ton, bigger than most people ever realize. Wolf. Wolves have very thick fur that help them survive in the cold. In the wild, they live from 8 to 13 years old. They hunt for meat in the night and always as a pack. And there is always an alpha that keeps all the other wolves on track.